To disable volume button on your Android device in a way that whenever you're pressing it up or down, the volume button will not press. It will not do anything. These are the steps you need to take. First is to get to the Play Store. So look at my Play Store here. I'll tap on it. As the Play Store opens, ensure that you are in the apps menu item. Alright, you can see I'm in the apps right now. And the next step is to tap on the search button. In the search space, tap there and type button remapper. Okay. As you're typing, it will be suggested to you. You can see that here. I will tap on it. Now, this gives you the application. Alright. The next step is to install it. So tap on install. Okay, the installation is done. So tap on open. So here we are. So the next step you need to take is to tap on this button. Okay, toggle that button on by tapping on it. And it says, hey, this application requires the accessibility service to be turned on to filter key events. So tap on continue. On this new page, you will see the application, that is buttons remapper. So tap on it. So here you see use buttons remapper. Toggle on that button. Okay, so tap on it. Then you are provided with these options. It says allow button remapper to have full control of your device. The next step is to tap on allow. You can see service enabled, so the next step is to tap on this plus sign at the bottom part. Alright, then you are provided with short and long press, so tap on that option. On this page where you have key, you can see back is selected. Tap on that drop down there and then select either volume up or volume plus. So here let's work with volume plus. Then under actions, you can see that you can see recent apps is selected. Tap on that drop down and select the option of do nothing. Okay, tap on OK. Then the next step is to tap on the plus sign again, then select short and long press. In the new action section, you can see key back is selected. Tap on the drop down there, okay, at that back, and then select the volume down, which is volume minus, okay. Then in the section of action, tap there and select do nothing again. The next step is to tap on OK. So with this, my volume up and volume down will not work. I'm pressing them right now, but nothing is working. So I cannot do anything on them. But on a visitation whereby you want to disable this, it's possible. So what you need to do is to come to that place you have do nothing volume plus, and the section you have do nothing key volume minus. So let's say I want to make it work again. I will tap on the first section. Okay, then what I need to do is I need to delete this. So I will tap on delete. Okay, so you can see now I have now done away with the one that disabled the volume up. So if I press my volume up, you can see it's now showing. Okay, but the volume down is not yet working. So let's delete the one of volume down. So I'll tap on that section. Then you can see delete button, tap on delete. So with that, I can have my volume up working and my volume down working. But anytime you want to, disable the volume up and volume down, still do the same thing, okay, that I informed you. You don't need to uninstall the app, okay. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.